In this tutorial, we are building a Half-Life style physics pickup system in Unreal Engine. First, let's start by adding the physics handle component to our player character. After that, let's do all the variables so we won't have to keep on coming back to them. We will need a bool, I'm calling it isHolding, two floats, one for grab distance and one for trace distance, then a vector for grab location, and a rotator for grab object's rotation. Lastly, a grab component variable as primitive component object type. Now first, we'll line trace from camera to detect for any physics object. If the object is simulating physics, we grab it using a physics handle. For line trace, details, all we need is the location of camera, its forward vector, times trace distance. World location of camera plus forward vector times trace distance will be the endpoint, while the camera's world location will be the start. After that, make sure the trace is from camera channel and is complex. Lastly, we set all the variables after checking the return value from the line trace. Then we make another custom event to calculate the motion of the grabbed object in relation to players and attach it to event tick, with the branch checking if the player is holding any object. Do make sure that the simulate physics option is ticked on any of the meshes that you are using. And that's it. You now have a working physics interaction system perfect for pickups and puzzles in your game.